Ladies and gentlemen, featuring Pius Ikulu. One show down, now we're off to the Backstage Theatre.
Yeah, to the Jive Cape Town Funny Festival. Going to see the guys there. Hola.
Hola. And it's raining.
Yeah.
Which is okay because it's also... And it's also raining jokes.
For sure. Hola. Let's see if it's a hamburger. It's going to take 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3.
Guys, this is my 4th Uber of the day.
Yeah.
Well, the night now. I think Uber should give me I don't know even what, a sponsorship deal. I should just get to travel with Uber for free. Or I must get myself an Uber driver for a boyfriend. Buddy.
My thing is broken, so can you use it? Yeah.
Buddy, do you have a girlfriend? I'm looking for an Uber driver for a boyfriend so I can save some money.
Free rides. Uber drivers, you won't come to pick you up because when you want him to pick you up, maybe you will be in Loduk or you will be in Brobeck.
I just want you to ride me, Buddy. How? Why are you refusing to ride me, Buddy? How?
I'll find that Uber driver.
See, these days men are so lazy. He doesn't want to ride me. He wants me to pay for him to ride me.
Yeah.
What kind of nonsense is that?
Things are changing, eh? Before it was men paying, now if it's women, then you. Yeah. This moved from a clean ride me to a something.
What kind of you guys, what kind of a ride are you thinking of? I mean, I'm thinking of an Uber ride.
I'm trying to stay out of this conversation.
It's an Uber ride I'm talking about. I don't know what you guys are talking about.
Ride me.
Put it ride me, please.
So you don't want to ride Uber. You want... It's an ambiguous. Yeah, it's difficult now.
How? Why the rain in Cape Town?
It only rains in winter. That's why we are receiving all these rain now.
Isn't it supposed to rain in summer?
No.
But you guys need the water.
We want a lot of it. Because last time, a year ago or two, there was a drought here.
Mina ngiyadayisa but ngidayisa iphilisi lokugeza ngoba ngiyazi andinamanzi eCape Town. Uyavuka, uyagwinya, uyabangena.
Uber right.
Yes. Golden arrows.
Yeah. I was feeling they are about to go on the break.
Oh, nice. So we'll find them on a break. Oh, so that's nice. We'll get the full second half.
Yeah. Okay, we want to ask you to put some red bow and fly this car. Put some wings on this car. Okay. Because where we're going, it's a show. So they're just about to go on a break, and the break is not very long. Oh, nice.
So if we can at least get there.
But it's not far where we're going anyway. But yeah, we'll try to be.
No, it's not far. Because I'm in the rain. I sell pens for 10 for 3. At least she's selling. But the thing with these people is you feel sorry for them only to find out they have someone they're working for.
Yeah.
They're not even getting all the money or any of the money.
Oh,
they just
they get, also they put it on drugs.
And you can't blame them because how would you cope living outside homeless? How would you fall asleep at night? And you don't know whatever problems brought them here.
Some of them actually run away from homes as well.
They do?
Yeah, they do.
And some of them from good homes.
Hey, I need to tell you which babekwa khona ukuthi badle babe right those homes babaleke lapho ngoba ngithi there's responsibilities
and there are rules.
Yabo kunemthetho kumele bageza ngalesi sikhathi abakuthandi ukugeza.
Inkinga inokugeza.
Inkinga inokugeza kumele ngigeze every day ekuseni ngiyageza ebusuku ngiyageza.
Hayi inkinga leyo yokugeza. Hayi cha nami mase kuthiwa ngigeze every day sengingabaleka.
Now, boyazi, homeless people, beggars and stuff, they've got territories. Like, there's places they can't jump, there's places like you guys beg the side, this is our area. I didn't know that.
It's still raining, but we are here, gig number 2. Oh yeah. This is gig number 2. Let's go to Backstage.
Yes, how are you doing?
You have to come and say hi.
Yes.
This is what's happening backstage. VIP treatment. Brother, guys. Oh, how is the show? But I saw that crowd. It looks lovely. We need to look for a light, guys.
Yeah, because give me up.
There we now
yellow bone. Yeah.
One side is yellow bone.
No.
There we are. Now that's you. Sifiso Nene.
Hi.
I'm here to watch you.
Thank you.
I've heard good things.
I've heard good things about me too.
Oh my God, you're here to watch me too. Oh, thank you.
I'm here to watch
thank you. Yeah, she doesn't know my name, but she's here to watch me
This
too.
is
Yeah,
Obakeng.
it's fine.
Obakeng.
This is me trying to be famous.
Who's here to watch me?
I'm trying to be famous. I
And
just
you.
stole that moment.
Make it yours.
Yeah.
Hold on to it. Hold on to the moment.
Come, Obakeng. Obakeng is the new act. He won the Ikasi World
Oh,
Comic.
you are the...
This is the guy.
I feel like I'm being too loud.
This is the guy who won.
Well done.
This is Pius, the
So
guy.
do you think the future of comedy is in good hands?
Next subject, can we talk about other things? I'm just
I'll get back to you on that.
we are break. I'm joking. Obakeng is the next big thing. Look out for this guy. Or the Obakeng.
Next big thing in
all
body
the way-
size or in...
He's already the big thing physically, but now
I'm already the big thing with the head as well. Look.
the head
Yeah,
as well.
It's very big.
He's
The other one too, but we won't talk about it.
head office.
Yeah, headquarters, head everything.
I hear the show is going very well.
The show is amazing. So grateful to be here. Cape Town, Kumnandi. See happy. We're here for the whole month. You tomorrow we're coming to support you. I'll come to your show first before coming.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Number 1.
Okay. Kulungile ke bye.
Mina ngisho lutho ngiyavela nje.
Yeah, ubetha
Angisho lutho
kavele.
bengithi angivele nje ngikhombisa ukuthi ngangikhona.
Akathi fahla kumngcwabo we-best friend yakhe ngoba isikhathi sesiphelile. Angena wathi fahla. Wathi ngitheni khulumisa zonke izinto bengamazi. Mina sethiwa ngithi fahla.
Nakho-ke fahla. Wayiphumela.
Oyabele. Tata cha besithatha nje fahla.
Besizothi nje fahla.
Sesibonge.
Sibonge-ke sesiyibopha lapha.
Nqi.
Did you learn now?
About 2. You said about 2 weeks ago, about 2 hours ago. Hey!
Hey.
It's so dark here.
We in here though, the lights are so truthful in this way. See there?
There.
There we go. Hello. Thenjiwe is stuff that she shoots and I almost never see. Where's all our content from Bangkok?
Because you never watch.
Oh, is it
It's
up?
on YouTube.
I'm gonna go look at it.
Now I know that you do not watch.
I never checked it on YouTube. Anyway, so we're gonna go see it on YouTube.
See? I thought you were a friend. Hello. Good. How are you? How are you doing? You know, I was watching you as we were walking.
I know,
in.
it was very embarrassing to
Wow.
It's very weird to see yourself on like in a big room where these people don't know who I am, but now they must now I must go perform and it's gonna get awkward for everybody, guys.
It won't. They're gonna love it.
Fingers crossed.
They're gonna love it. You're funny.
I hope so.
They're gonna love it.
Thenjiwe. How are you? I'm good, thanks. Hello, Thenjiwe's YouTubers. How are you guys? You can't respond because it's YouTube, but you let me know. Tweet me and let me know how you guys are. I'm interested.
Have you been on?
Yes.
Why?
I had to do my job. I had to earn that money.
Couldn't you wait for me?
Yes. Why didn't you come earlier?
Can you do it
If
again?
you loved me, you
Because I
would have
just
come
got
earlier.
here.
If you loved me, you would have come earlier.
South
Just
African
for me.
Airways, not me.
Yeah.
Not my fault.
This is South African thing, blame me.